Hello, welcome back to Small Town Customs. My name's Troy. Today we're going to be working on this 66 Shelby GT Mustang. It's made by New Ray, made in China, and it has speedy power. It is a wind-up, pull back and release, although it's not working very good. We're going to try to fix that. But anyway, my sister sent this to me. One of the people she works with, her house got hit by a tornado. And my sister recovered this from her house. It is pretty nasty. So she wants me to redo it so she can give it back to her. So first thing we need to do is take it apart. And it's pretty dirty on the inside. It's actually blue. I thought it was black. But it's actually a dark blue. It's had something living in it. But anyway, we need to clean that up. Need to do something with the spring inside here. Need to re-grease it or something. Maybe shoot some WD-40 in it. Let's see how this comes apart. The door's open. We're going to have to sand our windshield down, soak it in some stuff. We need to get all this plastic off of it. Plastic bumpers, plastic grill, and the plastic headlights. And I'm going to have to do that off camera. So we'll be back. Okay, we got our car finally taken all apart. Got all the plastic pieces off. It actually came apart really easy. Got the doors off. And now, this won't fit inside my jar that I usually use, so we're going to stick it right in the bucket of the stripper that I use. Throw the doors in there. And we'll come back to that. Clean it up. This is when my sister found the car. She set it on the steps to take pictures of it. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video of me painting it, but this is how it turned out. I think it looks a little better. What do you all think? Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.